How to share screen on Google Meet. In today's video, we're going to show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Whether you're in a meeting, giving a presentation, or just helping someone out, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're already in a Google meeting. To do that, go to your Gmail or Google Meet app if you have. Click on New Meeting. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using an instant meeting. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. To share your screen, you need to find that three dots. Simply tap on it. And here you can find an option that says Share Screen. Tap on it. Now, a prompt may appear whether you want to share your audio of your device as well. If you want to, simply click on Tick. If not, click on Continue. After that, your share will be screened to all the people in the Google meeting. After you're done sharing your screen, you can stop at any time. Just click the stop sharing button at the bottom of the screen and your shared screen will disappear. And that's it. You've successfully shared your screen on Google Meet. And it's simple, right? Whether you're collaborating on a project, hosting a virtual presentation, or just helping someone troubleshoot, sharing your screen is a great way to communicate visually.